In terms of immunology or science per se, medical science, we hear a lot about inflammation, but we still don't know much about it. This was a major mass market magazine in the United States a decade ago as its cover story, talking about the secret killer, the surprising link between inflammation, heart attacks, cancer, Alzheimer's, and other diseases. But the Time magazine was not the first one to ask questions about inflammation. The ancient Greeks asked this. They tried to describe inflammation as the internal fire. The ancient Romans tried to describe it in terms of heat, pain, swelling, redness. But why is inflammation important to us? Because it protects us from a very hostile world of microbes. We think of inflammation as something that's bad, but in reality, it allows us to survive. If we did not have a strong inflammatory response, we'd be easy targets for microbes. Without an inflammatory response, our injuries would never heal. But you need a zone. If you have too little of an inflammatory response, you're a sitting target for microbes. Your injuries would never heal. But if your inflammatory response is too strong or is not turned off sufficiently, then the body begins to attack itself. Keeping that inflammatory response within that zone is a key component, not for treating chronic disease, but maintaining wellness. There are many events that can turn on these powerful inflammatory responses that are embedded in your genes. We've talked about two of them already: microbial invasion, physical injuries. But we now know there's a third: your diet. Your diet can turn on the same type of inflammatory responses that injuries and microbial invasion can.